Question 1. What organ do fish use to breathe underwater? It's called gills. Question 2. What is the fastest fish in the ocean? Sailfish. Question 3. Which fish can inflate its body when threatened? Pufferfish. Question 4. What is the largest fish in the world? The whale shark. Question 5. What do we call a group of fish swimming together? A school of fishes. Question 6. Which fish can produce electric shocks? Electric eel. Question 7. What helps fish stay balanced and move in water? Fins. Question 8. Which fish can change its gender? The clownfish. Question 9. What protects a fish's body? The fish scales. Question 10. Which fish can live in both fresh and salt water? Salmon. Question 11. What part of a fish helps it sense movement in the water? The lateral line. Question 12. Which fish is known for its bright, glowing light in the deep sea? The anglerfish. Question 13. What are baby fish called? They are called fry. Question 14. Which fish is flat and lives on the ocean floor? The flounder. Question 15. What is a shark's skeleton made of? Cartilage, not bones. Question 16. Which fish is known for cleaning other fish by eating parasites off them? Cleaner wrasse. Question 17. What is the main diet of a herbivorous fish? They eat plants. Question 18. Which fish is known for migrating thousands of miles to spawn? Salmon. Question 19. What helps some fish glow in dark waters? Bioluminescence. Question 20. Which fish is often kept as a pet in aquariums and is golden in color? The goldfish. Please like and subscribe to support this channel for more of general knowledge questions. Thank you.